Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry EduHub channel. Today we are going to talk about the Ostwald's theory of indicators. So Ostwald proposed a theory where he explained about the behavior of indicators. So before knowing that, we need to know what is an indicator. So generally, acid and base, when they react, we know that they form salt and water. So generally, many acids and many bases, most of the acids and bases are colorless. So when they react and form salt, what is the end point where exactly the acid is getting neutralized by the base is not known with our eye because they are colorless. So now in order to indicate the end point in any neutralization reaction, we use indicators. So the most common indicators that we use are these four. Areochrome black tea is mainly used in finding the hardness of water. Potassium chromate is used in the estimation of chloride content. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein are mainly used in the acid-base titrations most commonly. So based on the change in the pH from acid to base, these indicators change their colors, and accordingly based on the color change we will be able to find out the end point exactly by using various indicators. So the postulates of Ostwald theory are: these indicators are generally weak organic acids or bases. Hence, if it is an acid, it shows color change in the base. If it is a base, it shows color change in the acid. And the indicator and its ionic form, generally the indicators are going to split into ions. So after splitting, based on the pH change, they are going to show different colors. Accordingly, we will be able to find out the end of the reaction. And if at all there is an acid indicator, it will be in the molecule form in the acid medium, and it will be in the ionic form in the basic medium. And if it is a basic indicator, it will be in the molecular form in the basic medium and ionic form in the acidic medium. So these are the main postulates of Ostwald's theory about the indicators, commonly used indicators. Now we are trying to understand the behavior of phenolphthalein and methyl orange indicators using Ostwald's theory. So phenolphthalein is represented as HPH and it splits as H plus and pH minus. Methyl orange is represented as MEOH and it splits as Me plus and OH minus. And the nature of phenolphthalein indicator is acidic, so it is called acidic indicator. Methyl orange is basic, so it is a basic indicator. Now, since phenolphthalein is acidic and its usual color is colorless, it remains colorless. So when it is alone and in the acids, it is going to be colorless only. Since it is acidic, it doesn't react. But when placed in the bases, it turns into pH minus ions and turns into dark pink color. As you can see the test tubes, the first test tube is with acid and pH only, so there is no color. But when added with the base, it turns to dark pink color. Similarly, methyl orange is basic, so when placed in the bases, it is light yellow or orange in color. But when placed in acids, it turns into methyl plus ions and it turns into dark red color. So acid with methyl orange shows red color, base with methyl orange shows light yellowish orange color. And normally methyl orange color is also orange according to its name. So this is the behavior of few common indicators using Ostwald's theory. So this is it about the indicators and their behavior. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.